Welcome to Acme Forgings, manufacturer and exporter of industrial couplers and associated accessories. The company was established in the year 1987 period. We are in memberships of EEPC and IPC. Effective packaging, customized solutions, and client-oriented company make us unique in the industry. Scaffolding accessories, drop forged, and press couplers offered by us are class apart. We also provide scaffolding systems, industrial, and double couplers. We offer gray veloci coupler, clamps, and vices that are well known for their durability. Our company specializes in offering spanners, pliers, and pincers. We present a rich collection of striking, building, and automotive tools. We are specialized in offering leather items, gate grills, and combine parts. To know more about us, please visit our website www.acmeforgings.net.